Hi, this is Casey with Holiday Automotive. Today we're taking a look at a 2017 Cadillac CTS Luxury. The color is Stellar Black and the stock number is A6972. You've got a beautiful grille up front. The hood is in excellent shape. I do not see any noticeable scratches. You've got an alloy rim here that is wrapped in an 18-inch Pirelli Zero Nero tire. Inside there is a power sunroof, and then you have a tan leather upholstery that's in fantastic condition. There is seating for 2 in the front row, and you have seating for 3 back in the second row. We'll take a quick look down the passenger side. Coming back to the rear, you've got a dual exhaust. There are backup sensors as well as a backup camera, and you've also got keyless entry for the trunk. As you can see, it is very clean inside. You've got lots of extra space back here. And the reason that I'm showing you this Cadillac today is because I would like for you to see all angles of this before you schedule your test drive or before we ship this out to you. On the driver's side of the door, you have buttons for memory seating here. You have your usual power amenities. There is a Bose premium audio system. You've got power lumbar adjustments, and there are also carpeted floor mats. As we step inside, you do have a push button start here. I'll go ahead and start the engine. All right, on the left side of the steering wheel, you do have cruise control buttons, as well as a button for heated steering wheel and your collision alert. On the right-hand side, you've got audio controls. You can see you've only got 17,605 actual miles here. Above the rear view mirror, you have holding garage door opener buttons, and there are also OnStar buttons here. Down to the center, you've got this great touchscreen display. This is where your backup camera will show. You do have a CD player and along with an AM/FM radio here. You can control your climate as well as navigation. And then you've also got a lane keep assist button here as well. Coming down just a little bit further, you've got your dual climate controls and buttons for heated front row seating. This is a 6-speed automatic transmission. You have a 2-liter 4-cylinder engine, which in highway mileage gets you around 29 miles per gallon. If you'd like to get more information on this Cadillac or to schedule your test drive, visit us at holidayautomotive.com. We will also receive a free vehicle history report provided by AutoCheck. Again, that's holidayautomotive.com. My name is Casey, and thanks for watching.